Welcome back, YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. We're going to be reviewing S&P 500 and also gold today. Take a look at some of these markets. Been pretty bullish for the most part. Went down, came back up on S&P 500, and kind of still the same on gold as well. But we'll take a look at what we're looking at for tonight. Some of the levels we're probably going to be looking to trade for tonight on the S&P. Let's take a look. We did have a strong not bearish, but bullish move here to the upside. You can see these higher lows coming in, and we popped into right around 73.25 again for today. And our resistance is sitting somewhere right up against those 67.75s. Looks like we may be going sideways for a little bit, but there is this big gap movement here. So first and foremost, more than likely, we're probably going to see if this market continues. If it doesn't press up here and start to hold the support like we want to see, then more than likely, we're going to look for it to come right back down and trade the downside back into that value area and also maybe down to those 42.25s. Now, if we do get that support, though, we are going to probably be looking to the upside to break through these 73s and then head our way back up from there. But if we do get down to this value area, we'll probably watch to see what it does. It could stall right here at this top peak here, or it could go all the way into the bottom right around these 42.25s, and then we'll kind of see from there what we're going to do. There are going to be some smaller levels when we take a look at the 5-tick that we might be able to play off, but we'll take a look right now. If we do get down into this very bottom, we're going to look for that support. Right, so if I delete some of this, we're going to be looking for this pull down here for the support here. We could break all the way through, come right back up, hold this support, and then retest that middle area again. And then again, if we do try to get below that level, we're going to be looking for that test of resistance here, and then looking for a collapse lower somewhere into our next levels of support, which is going to be right around these 25s. And then below that's going to be those 0750s. Let's take a look at S&P on a 5-tick here real quick. As you can see some of this that we're drawing out, we again double topped right here, right around these 65s where we double topped, and we're moving right into this value area. You guys can kind of see where this is, right into that value area right here, and that edge is coming right underneath, somewhere right around these 54s. So that could be our earlier level of struggle to break through. Now, if we do get that support again here, we could look for an earlier move off this level. But if we do break down below, we'll probably be trying to head somewhere into these 40, 48, 49s. And then again, where we got it targeted right around those 42.25s. That's where we could be stalling out as well. So we'll be looking for that on S&P 500, kind of see what we get for that tonight. Let's take a look also at gold, this 10-tick here real quick. We are heading down on gold right now and coming into some decent level of a support. So we're going to see if this can hold this support right here. This is going to be a key level right around these 56.4s. If we do get that support hold, then we'll see if we can get some rotations here and then try to take it back up. If we do fail it like this and get it back over, want to look for at least 2 tries of a failure, and then we'll continue to move back to the upside. But if we do get it underneath this level, then we're going to probably be looking for that pull back into resistance and then try to head back up from there. But we'll see how the market reacts to these levels here, and then see what we can get from there. Again, gold, we really want to kind of see it underneath this level here and holding that resistance. Then we're probably going to be looking for that opportunity to continue the short. You guys can see the space that we have below, so this could actually be a really good short opportunity to the downside, but we'll have to be patient here and let that kind of play out. See those 2 pullbacks. If we get that resistance underneath, then we'll be looking for that opportunity down. But if we just get 1 or maybe even 2 and we can't get that new rip to the downside and we pop back up, that's our signal to continue to move back to the upside. So we'll be looking at this general area right here, right around these 56, 57s for the opportunity to go back up or to go down. We do got a lot of space, as you can see right here, to the downside. So somewhere right around these 48s to 44s is going to be our level of support that we're looking for as well. So this is our more minor level right now, and that's a major level that we're kind of looking for as support. Underneath that, you guys can see there's going to be some other levels kind of targeting right in here, right between this 39, 36.5 to 39.7. That's going to be our next level of supports. All right, so we'll see if we can kind of get back into these 48 first, and then if we can't, then obviously we're probably going to be looking for that downside of about 39 first. So we'll see on S&P and also on gold if when we get into the London session we are around those areas. If we are, then they're going to be great areas to be trying to play some trades from. Again, thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys did like this video, please smash that like button. If you guys have any questions, feel free to type them in here on the YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you guys are going to be in the London session, I will see you guys there. If not, you guys have a great night. Take care.